If you would have told me 50 years ago that one of my passions would be gardening, I would have rolled my 6-year-old eyes at you. The only thing I wanted to do today was ride my horse and shoot my BB gun. Grandpa and Dad had me out here on the end of this hoe. I hate hoeing. It's hot, and the horseflies bite, and they hurt. As a kid, I knew farming was more than just digging a hole, dropping a seed, and adding water. There's a lot to it. There's the soil health, there's the bugs, there's the weather itself. There's a lot that goes into it, and weeds seem to be the biggest problem I've ever run into. I hate hoeing, and I hate weeds. As an adult, I decided I better try to find a better way to do this. I lose that battle every June, and as I age, it's harder and harder to bend over and pick those weeds. When I was a kid, the tool we used to fight weeds was a hoe. Today, we have the internet, so I went on a search to find an easy way to get rid of the weeds. I came across the no-till method of gardening. Last year, 2019, I only took some pictures of the garden. This year, I'm going to start this channel with the hopes of showing you how no-till works. Fall leaves, grass clippings, hay, mulch, compost. Ruth Stout. I kind of like Ruth Stout. Her story is unique, and it kind of follows my philosophy. If I don't want to do it, I'm not going to do it, especially for a hobby. At this point, I guess I'm supposed to ask you guys to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and all of that good stuff. If you're interested in watching somebody dig a hole, drop a seed in, and add some water and see if it'll grow, this year will be dedicated to planting, soil health, canning. I have some subject experts that will be popping in from time to time. What is this yellow fruit? No-till actually works. I had very few weeds, if any, all year long. As we close this video out, enjoy what the spring rain almost washed out the leaves and what the first hard frost did to my piles of grass. Stay tuned for more exciting content.